In this video, we are going to look at how to balance these two equations. The first one is what HCl, which is hydrogen chloride, plus what sodium hydroxide. Okay. While the second one is what hydrogen chloride plus what sodium tetraoxosulfate what 6. First of all, we have to understand the charges that this what element carry. Hydrogen is carrying what a positive charges, while chlorine is carrying a negative charges. Sodium here is carrying a positive charges, and what hydroxide here is carrying a negative charges. All right. So now here also we say that what hydrogen is carrying positive, chlorine is carrying what negative, sodium is carrying what positive, what then sulfate is carrying what negative. So though the one that is carrying positive will go with what the one that is carrying negative, and the one that is carrying negative here will go with the one that is carrying what positive. So at this point we are going to have what sodium what chloride, okay, plus then we have hydrogen here, we have hydrogen here. In water we have what water is what H2O. Now let's see whether the equation is balanced. You know, hydrogen is what the number of hydrogen is +1, chlorine is -1, sodium is +1, hydroxide is -1. That's why you see there is no any 2 or 3 here. So now sodium is 1 here, sodium is 1, that means sodium is balanced. Chlorine is 1, chlorine is 1, chlorine is balanced. Hydrogen is 1 here, hydrogen is 1 here, that is 2, hydrogen is 2 here. Oxygen is 1, oxygen is 1, it is balanced. And this place we call it the reactant side, and what this is the product side. A chemical equation is said to be balanced if what the mass of the reactant side is equal to what the mass of the product side. Now number 1 is already balanced. Let's go to number 2. The same thing, the positive here will go and meet what the negative here, while the negative here will go and meet what the positive here. Remember I told you that what the oxidation number of hydrogen in what HCl is +1, then chlorine is -1, here is also what +1, oxygen is what is carrying -2. Now the first thing we are going to have the same what sodium chloride. Remember that what both of them are 1 1 1. The 2 here in this word sodium tetraoxosulfate 6 belong to these 2. But when you are going to combine sodium and what chlorine, you are going to have what sodium what chloride. The reason because what both of them are having what positive and negative, so they will cancel each other. We are going to have what Na and HCl. So remember that we have this here, that is hydrogen is plus, all right. Then we have what SO4 is what negative. These 2 that is here will come to this side, and this one will come to this side. When they exchange their valency, we are going to have what 2SO4, which is what tetraoxosulfate 6 what acid. Okay, so now let's check. Hydrogen is 1 here, hydrogen is 2, that means hydrogen is not balanced. So where we are going to put the 2 is to balance hydrogen, we are going to put our 2 here. That means hydrogen is now 2, hydrogen is 2. There is problem in this side again. And where did the problem come from? Now the 2 is controlling both the hydrogen and what chlorine. Now chlorine is now 2, but chlorine is 1 here. When we put 2 here, now sodium is 2, chlorine is 2. Chlorine is 2 here, chlorine is already balanced. Sorry, sodium here is 2, sodium here is 2. Sulfur is 1, sulfur is 1. Oxygen is 4, oxygen is 4. This is how to balance this equation. And this is what hydrogen chloride, sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride, and this is water. This is hydrogen chloride, this is sodium tetraoxosulfate 6, and this is what sodium chloride, and this is what tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. This is a strong acid, this is a strong acid. Until I come your way next time, follow my channel for more basic chemistry, basic what physics, and what mathematics. Bye.